Hello my friends, hope you're doing well. It's usual that traders always try to find less risky positions to place their orders. One of the less risky way, which has a margin of safety, is trading near support resistance areas. That gives the trader a better opportunity to take profit. Keep watching, together we will find out how to place our orders and avoid to lose money. And besides, if you are new, make sure that subscribe to the channel please, in order that not to miss any future contents. For trading near support resistance areas, some requirements needed. First, the target area should have been tested at least 2 times before. Then to enter a position near support resistance area, we need some reversal patterns or candles. About the two mentioned conditions above, the first one should be always satisfied. But about the second one, it's optional. Just adds to the margin of safety in trading. And if not being considered, there will be no problem then. To better understanding the subject, let's together check this example at time frame 1 hour. Price is pushing up here till to form this high, then pulling down. When price is crashing down, we seek for some secure positions to place our long order, and such opportunities are available near support areas during price fall. Whenever there will be an area which price candles are fluctuating within, then there probably will be support zone. Down here, if you look, first let me draw a box here. Well, as it's clear, more than 2 times price reacts to this zone, and every time after touching or entering this box, being pushed up to the above. By looking more precisely, you can see that through long lower shadows of candles, this area has been tested. For to place a less risky and more secure position, I will put the entry point near the lowest value in this area. And the lowest value in this area is down here around this shadow, the end of this shadow. 1896 will be the entry trigger and point. Now stop loss, the most important point of the story. We should take care to put this value properly, otherwise easily through a shadow it can be touched and will lose. End of this shadow is about 1895 or 6. So, if the future candles go further levels lower than this value, more likely around 18.9 it will be. Therefore, we put our stop loss lower than 18.90. For example, 18.87. And if we want to further lesser the risk, then we can put it around 18.85. For take profit, we're looking for the most previous major swing levels. These two areas, this one and this one, can be the target. Let me put the take profit near 1927 or 28. Please pay attention that this order is not for the candles are being shown on the chart. It's for future candles which will appear at the end of this descending wave. Let me push this order a little to the right. There it is. Now let's check to see what will happen. Yes, so beautifully this order executed in profit. In this procedure, we don't know that whether the price will reverse from the determined area or not. We just rely on previous price history and use candle hit counts. And by some additional easy calculations, we further secure our position. In the next procedure, in addition to what's being said above, such as using price history, we wait till to see the price response to the supported area. This procedure is more secure than the previous one. Well, now let's check it. As I talked about a few minutes ago, the second condition expressed that after seeing some reversals, we can enter. Down here, within this supported zone, these two candles, this red and green candle, are known as bullish engulfing and is reversal candlestick pattern. By seeing this pattern, we somehow make sure that this pattern will reverse the price movement direction. So, our entry trigger should be around and near the close of the second green candle. Our stop loss is very obvious here. It will go below this red shadow. And finally, we put our take profit up here, near this swing level. The risk to reward ratio is more than 1, and that's okay. The same as the previous procedure. Clearly in this procedure we profit. Just there's a point between these two procedures. Hope that you have noticed it since now. If you rewind the video and look at the previous risk to reward ratio, it was more than 3. But in this procedure it is less than 2. That shows the profit difference. All of what is said also true for resistance area. If you need to make the same video for resistance area, please let me know and write it down in the comments. And for supporting me and activate community in order to share our ideas together more than often, please subscribe to the channel and introduce the channel to your friends. Have a good time. See you soon.